Hi, Steve from ALPS Mountaineering. Thank you for your recent purchase of our Access chair. Right now we're going to walk you through the easy step-by-step instructions on how to assemble this chair. First, remove the chair frame assembly and seat fabric from the carry bag. Set aside the seat fabric and unfold the chair frame. Make sure each section of the tubing is inserted completely into the frame. Slide the ends of the front leg, beveled opening first, over the lower seat tubing ends. Position the chair seat fabric above the frame with the ALPS logo reading correctly. Place the two corner tubing pockets over the ends of the small tubes at the front of the chair. Using the finger loop located below the tubing pocket, pull the fabric back and insert the tube into the pocket. Repeat this process on the final corner of the chair. Finally, using the gated clips, attach the carry bag to the corner loops. Your chair is now ready to use. We hope you found these instructions useful to put together your new Access chair. It's time to go out and enjoy your camping trip. We'll see you next time.